Today we're visiting Houston Farmers Market to purchase mole paste and bring it home to make chicken mole and Mexican red rice. Está bonito. Aquí es donde compré el mamey, lo compré ahí.
A ver. La moto a 5. ¿A dónde la caja la que le voy? Fue más grueso.
¿Y aquí cómo se llaman ustedes? ¿Tiene nombre? ¿Manzanos produce? Ok, muchas gracias. Place the chicken in the Instant Pot. I used 5 leg quarters. I rarely use the trivet that came with the Instant Pot. For me, it's one less thing to clean, but feel free to use it if you'd like. Next, add 1 quart of water. One-fourth of an onion, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic or 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of chicken flavored nor Suiza or the chicken bouillon of your choice. Close the Instant Pot lid and pressure cook. Remove the Keep Warm feature and choose Quick Release. My machine allows for a post release, so I'll go with that since it's my new default. After the cooking time is over, and after 5 minutes of the post release, I did a quick release. And here's our chicken with plenty of broth for our mole and for our rice. For our rice, we will need 1 cup of rice, about half a cup of diced white onion, 1 cup of frozen veggie mix, 1 cup of chicken broth, 1 teaspoon minced garlic, half tablespoon each of chicken and tomato nor Suiza, 1 diced Roma tomato, 1/3 cup unsalted tomato sauce, a handful of chopped cilantro, and 1 serrano or jalapeno pepper. Turn your heat to medium and also have a pot of boiling water ready. We will need 1 cup of boiling water for later. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil or more if needed. Enough to fry our onion and rice. We use avocado oil at home, but use what you have on hand. Here we've added our diced onion. Saute till translucent, which will take a couple of minutes. Add your cup of rice and constantly mix so it doesn't burn or stick. We fry our rice only till we start seeing some rice kernels lightly turn color, but you can fry a bit more if you'd like. This is just how we do it. Add your veggie mix and mix for about 1 minute. Now add your garlic, diced tomato, nor Suiza, and tomato sauce. And make sure to incorporate everything well. Add your cup of chicken broth and 1 cup of boiling water. If you do not have chicken stock, just use 2 cups of water instead. You can also use 2 cups of chicken broth, but you run the risk of it turning out a little oily, especially if it's homemade chicken stock. That's why I use half stock, half water, but use what you have. Now place your chile in the pot off to the side, your cilantro on top, put the lid on, and turn your heat to low. You want a very gentle simmer. As soon as the simmer begins, put your timer to 15 minutes. Now turn your Instant Pot on saute mode on low. My pot had 22 minutes already set and went with that number. This is 1 pound of mole from today's farmer's market visit. And here's the rice doing its thing. Don't open the lid, don't stir it, don't do anything to it other than making sure that the simmer is very gentle. There's no rule to how much mole paste you add to your chicken, but we like ours to be on the thicker side. But we could have used half of the pound and it would have been fine. Adjust to your liking, but this is our preference. All we want to do here is break it down into the broth until you have a thick, smooth sauce. I realize not everyone has access to a farmer's market that carries homemade mole. If that is the case, just buy the Doña Maria or Rogelio Bueno brand. My grandma would always doctor up the Doña Maria brand, which, by the way, my grandmother's name was Maria, and everyone would call her Doña Maria, but we called her Abuelita Mary. To the store-bought mole, she'd add more chocolate, banana, and other things. My rice timer went off, and I immediately turned off the stove and moved it away from the heat. Let your rice sit, preferably for 10 minutes before fluffing and serving. And here's your mole and rice dinner or lunch. Sprinkle with a couple of sesame seeds if you have any. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.